everyone. Welcome to our today's live stream event. My name is Scarlett. Today I'm so excited to take you through an exclusive look at our cutting-edge solar panel recycling line. For those who are new here, Sony Group is a global leader in sustainable technology with over 20 years experience in solid waste recycling machinery production and exportation. We are dedicated to providing innovative and comprehensive recycling solutions. Owning independent research and development center with a planned area of over 40,000 square meters. We have more than 300 employees here, and we have annual sales of 50 million US dollars. And we have successfully served more than 2,000 recyclers over the world. Okay, today we have a very special occasion as we are conducting lab trials for our two single-sided glass solar panel recycling line. This one, and over here there is another line, and one set of bifacial glass solar panel recycling line. And this three line soon will be shipped to our customers in Poland, UK, and the United States. And we are also thrilled to have representatives from these three countries here with us this week to witness the machine trial operation and to inspect the machine before delivery. Okay, before we begin the lab demonstration, let's talk a little bit about the raw materials we are going to work with today. Okay, this week. Let's see the solar panels we prepared. First of all, we have the single-sided glass solar panels. These are actually the most common type of photovoltaic panels in the market today. They consist of a single layer of glass that protects the photovoltaic cells from the environment. Yeah, it's the solar cells with one single layer glass, and the other side is actually the back sheet. Okay, next one we have double-sided glass solar panel, also known as bifacial solar panels. These panels can capture sunlight on both sides, increasing their efficiency and energy output. Due to their enhanced capabilities, actually bifacial glass panels are becoming increasingly popular in the solar industry. Okay, why is it so important to recycle these panels? As the solar panels industry continues to grow, so does the volume of the waste solar panels. Recycling not only helps in managing waste, but also recovers valuable materials like the aluminum, copper, silicon, and even silver. This material can be reused in production of new panels or other applications. This is crucial for reducing the environmental impact and promoting a circular economy within the industry. Currently, the recycling rate for solar panel is actually already improved a lot, but there is still a very long way to go. So at Sony Group, we are actually at the forefront of this important work, developing technologies which will make solar panel recycling more and more efficient and more effective. Okay, now let's move on to the heart of today's live stream, our recycling machines. First of all, we will start by briefly introducing our bifacial solar panel recycling line, this one. And after that, we will then show you our single-sided glass solar panel recycling process. Please remember to stay with us to watch the whole process, okay? Our technology is designed to handle the disassembly and the recycling of solar panels and the separation the solar panel materials in an efficient and environmentally friendly manner. Let's start from the intake point. This is the bifacial glass recycling line. This line actually adopts overall crushing and separation system. It can not only recycle the bifacial glass solar panel recycling, also can recycle the single-sided glass solar panel recycling. The whole panel actually no need to remove the frames, no need to remove the surface glass, can be put directly to the line for overall crushing and then separation. Okay, let's see the raw materials we prepared. These are, you see these panels are already removed the aluminum frames because this line is customized for a UK customer. The customer, they will remove the aluminum frames in advance, so their raw material contains no frames. So we customize this line for them. If your solar panel contains aluminum frame, we will do the customization, and the whole panel with the frames can be directly put into the line. This is the first station, the feeding belt conveyor. So first of all, we will load the panels here into the first belt conveyor, and then go to the first machine. This is first heavy-duty double shaft crusher. This crusher actually, it's over breaking down the glass, breaking down the panels, separating the glass from the photovoltaic cells. As we move through the machine, you will see there are actually two sets double shaft shredder called double stage shredding. During the shredding process, most of the glass will fall off from the panels. We adopt, you see this is the reducer, planetary gear reducer, and the whole structure is very durable. After shredding, the panel fall down to the belt conveyor here, and then transported to the vibration screen. You see, this is the first set of vibration screen. During here, for the first step, most of the glass will be separated here. There is pipeline here to turn back directly, and then goes to the second shredder for second step shredding. After shredding through this belt conveyor, transported to the second vibration screen. Second vibration screen to select the remaining glass. After separating the glass, then goes to the hammer crusher directly. This is the hammer crusher we use. You see, it's a vertical hammer crusher. During the crushing process, the panel size will be further crushed into smaller pieces. If the panel contains aluminum will be crushed into small size as well. And then there will be eddy current separator. The eddy current separator will be used to separate the aluminum frames. And after separating the aluminum frames, the material will go forward, transported to the next crusher. Through here, you can see different steps of machine. This is the second part of the whole line, the crushing and the separation system. This is the third vibration screen used to separate the remaining glass powder inside. After separate the glass powder, the material fall down to the second crusher for second step crushing. Soon we will start the machine so you can see the test running. When we start the machine, there will be a lot of noise, so you cannot hear me clearly. So I will introduce you firstly, then later we'll start the machine directly. This is the second crusher. After crushing, material fall down here to the turbo mill for grinding. This is turbo mill. The grinding machine. The grinding machine contains vibration feeding system. Material fall down to the hopper, then through the vibration feeding goes to the grinding system for grinding. After grinding, there is a pipeline here. We use wind conveying system. There is an induced draft fan here to suck the material to this second material collector. After grinding, material fall down to the vibration screen. This is round vibration screen. It's a single layer screen inside. So when the material reaches the ideal size, it will go forward to the following separation step. If the material size is still too big, It will flow back to the convey back to the grinding machine for second step grinding. This is the screen for the round vibration screen, the spare parts. This is a screw conveyor. After grinding material fall down here through this screw conveyor to the gravity separator. This is gravity separator used to separate the metal powder and the non-metal powder, plastic. The higher end is metal, lower end is plastic. The working principle is under vibration and combined with the airflow. Airflow from the bottom, from the top, combined together to separate different material due to their different gravity. You can see this is the copper metal, mainly copper mixed with aluminum or other metals inside. You can show the other end. The other end is plastic. So the plastic details. 小心点啊，静电要开了。Here, okay, after here we use some advanced technologies, including gravity separation, high voltage electrostatic separation, and wind separation to separate metal, non-metal, silicon powder, etc. This ensures that each type of material is isolated and ready for further processing or reuse. This double roller high voltage electrostatic separator, it is used to further separate the remaining metal powder. Okay, now we start the machine. This discharge is plastic, the other end is metal. Okay, here we have two cyclone material collector. Cyclone material collector use different pipeline connected with each separation machine to collect the silicon dust, silicon powder. This is the silicon powder. The sorted materials are collected in separated ton bags, ready for further processing or reuse directly in manufacturing new products. Our machines are designed to maximize recovery rates and minimize waste, making them a valuable asset for any solar panel recycling operation. For the whole system, we equip with several different house dust collectors for dust collection. So the whole system, whole line is environmental friendly. There is no dust, there is no exhaust gas generated. We don't use any chemicals, so it's very clean, environmental friendly. Now we will start the whole line for you to see the trial operation. Here you can see we have customers from Australia, different countries. Also we have a domestic customer come today for visiting. This is the air compressor. The whole line will need an air compressor. Compressed air are used mostly for the pulse dust collector system. If you have any question during the live stream, please feel free to send us message. Send us message in the comments. We will check and try to reply you in time, okay? This is the bifacial line. This line is for UK customer. They are here today for the final inspection before delivery. After the final inspection, it will be disassembled. Finish the final packaging, final painting, and finish the packaging, waiting for container loading and ship to the United Kingdom. 有声音吧？ This machine will actually boast several key features. First of all, it's high efficiency and bigger production capacity. It can be customized. For the standard line, this line, the production capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. But for single line, we can customize to 3 to 5 tons per hour for one line only. So it's highly efficient. Secondly, the robust construction is for long-term durability, long-term operation. Thirdly, the whole line is environmental friendly, reduce emissions, reduce waste. There is no any furnace used, no chemical used. There is no carbon emissions. It's environmental friendly. Thirdly, the whole line is it's user-friendly interface for easy operation and monitoring. We use the integrated control system. It's fully automatic. Just by simply touch the touch screen, the whole line can run fully automatic.
好的，好的。
This entire process from intake to output ensures that we can recover the maximum amount of valuable materials from each panel, contributing to both economic and environmental sustainability. Now we are starting each machine one by one. When we start the machine, we will start from the end to the beginning. When we stop the machine, we need to stop from the beginning to the end. So this is to make sure to clean the inside the material. I'm taking some videos and pictures here. ¿有人吗？
有人一直有人，我也就10几个。
要不先看一下这边，还没开始。
这样可以。
Okay, because it may still take several minutes. Now we can see over here there is a single-sided glass solar panel recycling machine. It's also for that UK customer, but they purchase from the glass removing system only. This is the glass removing machine. The single-sided glass will load here after removing the aluminum frames. Put here for surface glass removing. We have some safety measures to protect the safety, the operator safety. After remove the surface glass, there is a cutting system to cut the panels into long strips. Here. Cut the panels into long strips here. Yeah, you see. Splitting the panels into different parts through the belt conveyor to the single shaft shredder for shredding directly. This is the control cabin we use. PLC touchscreen, we use the Siemens brand. And it supports multi-language. Chinese, English can switch. This emergency stop button. The voltage can be customized, and this line is delivered to UK, United Kingdom. After the shredder, material conveyed to the turbo mill for grinding. This is the grinding machine. And then the backside, the separation process are exactly the same. Okay, now we start the bifacial line test running. the panels are fed into the machine. The first stage involves breaking down the solar panel, breaking down the glass, and separating the glass from the photovoltaic cells.不上了吗？不上了，等一会儿吗？再上一个。1分钟。好 Okay, now we load the panels. Through the belt conveyor goes to the first crusher. This section handles the initial breaking down of the solar panels. The powerful double shaft shredder can reduce the panels to smaller pieces. 你再听一下，有声音吗？我刚好像不小心按了一下。After shredding, material fall down to the vibration screen to separate the glass. Each vibration screen connects with a pipeline to the dust collector for dust collection during the shredding process. After first step separation, the remaining material fall down to another double shaft shredder for second step shredding. This is the second shredder. To further shred the material into smaller pieces, we can show the glass in details. Show the glass in details. Through the first step separation, you can see we got some glass discharged here. Glass. After the first glass separation, the remaining material fall down to the second shredder for shredding. The discharge belt conveyor also with pipeline connected to the dust collector, and then goes to the second vibration screen for second step separation, second step glass separation. You can show the glass in details. Alright, next the remaining material fall down to the hammer crusher for crushing. After crushing, material transported to the separation unit. here advanced technologies including eddy current separation, gravity separation, and high voltage electrostatic separation, as well as wind separation combined together to separate different materials. Separate the silicon, metal, plastic. Another vibration screen here. After crashing material to the third vibration screen to further separate the remaining glass. After the vibration screen, material fall down to the second pressure for crushing. After crushing, goes to the grinding machine for grinding. After crushing but before grinding, you see there is almost no glass remaining, no glass. Only silicon cell, plastic, and copper. This is the vibration feeding system. This bigger size will be sent back to the turbo mill for second step grinding. During the grinding and the separation process, silicons are very light. Silicon will, like powder, will be flown in the air and through the pipeline. Through the pipeline, suck the silicon powder to the separate material product. These are after grinding, material after grinding. To the belt screw conveyor to the vibration, gravity separation. We have the independent control panel here to adjust the airflow, adjust the vibration frequency. Very easy. You can simply adjust the vibration frequency, adjust the top airflow and the bottom airflow combined together to reach the best separation. Okay, now material. This end is metal powder, mainly copper. The other end is plastic. Plastic. The gravity separation can separate most of the metal from the plastic, but there will be still some very small quantity metal powder mixed into the plastic. So we use the second separation machine, the high voltage electrostatic separator, to further second step separation. Double ruler, high voltage static. Here, the plastic, you can see the plastic here. mainly EVA material, EVA and backsheet. This is silicon powder. Silicon fall down from the cyclone material collector. Silicon. That's the whole process. You can show the material fall down to the turbo mill here. It's dust collector, the pulse dust collector. After purifying, after separate the silicon powder, the remaining dust air through the dust collector get purified and then discharged to the air. Steve from UK, he come here today for his machine inspection before delivery. The maintenance, for further maintenance, go to the dust collector for maintenance stairs. During the separation, shredding and the separation of glass, there is pipeline connected to also cyclone material collector. Here the discharge is glass as well. You can clearly from here. This is the airlock. Airlock can make sure material fall down to the compact, break compact. These are glass powder. Yeah, that's the whole line. That's the whole process. See there remaining junction box on the solar panels. For bifacial line, you don't need to remove the junction box. With the junction box with aluminum frame, whole panel can feed to the shredding separation directly. We have magnetic separation to separate the inside the air material. Be careful. Customer load the material directly. Let's see the shredding.张工，先不要下来，看一下，别掉进去了，没了。OK。你可以上去拍一下，你可以走这个梯子上去拍一下。 Just now we have customer measure the noise of the whole line. They use a mobile phone to measure the noise. You can see here, measure the noise. It's 75 dB, 74 dB, noisy. They are quite satisfied with the noisy. If your local have more strict requirements for the noise problem, we can equip with you some soundproof room for the crushing system to reduce the noise. 那儿不要开。Let's see again the metal discharge, gravity separation. When you separate the metal and the non-metal, experience is very important, very crucial. Why? Because if you don't know how to adjust this machine, the vibration, the airflow, if not cooperate very well, some of the metal may mix into the plastic, or some plastic may mix into the metal. We have more than 20 years experience. Also, you can see here, our machine are specially customized to the integrated control system. To automatically, or manually, you can adjust the airflow frequency, vibration frequency. The high voltage electrostatic separator. This end is the remaining metal powder. Very small quantity metal powder left inside. This is a screw conveyor used to lift the discharge material to more than 1.2 meters, so you can connect with the tongue bag here directly. You put a tongue bag here, move here to the discharge outlet point. In this way, you can put a tongue back directly. Double outlet. Here, this is an independent control panel for the high voltage electrostatic separator as well. This is the voltage adjustment. This is the ruler rotation speed. Right now, it shows 300 circles per minute. The other end, that one is the voltage meter. The emergency stop, electrostatic on, vibration on, air shutter, feeding fan, and the ruler on, power ruler motor on. This is the inside of the control panel. We have detailed operation manual to show you how to adjust each system. All the components, electronic components, we customize to Siemens brand. We can also do customization if you need any other brand. Touch screen, PLC, VFD, and other electronic components, the brand can be customized.
差不多了吧？
那你就播完了。 Alright, now let's move to the single-sided glass solar panel recycling line. Single-sided glass solar panels are still the most prevalent type of photovoltaic panels currently being retired. Our single-sided glass solar panel recycling line consists of two main parts: the automatic disassembly system and the crushing and sorting system. Let's start with the automatic disassembly system. Here, actually, we can optionally equip a robot automatic feeding system to ensure a fully automatic loading process. The panel can automatically fed through the system. If you don't need the robot automatic loading, you will need two levers here. Together, load the panels to the station. The first machine is the 3D visual detection system. The 3D visual detection technology is used here to measure the size of the panels, the quantity, precision, and the size of the junction box. Sometimes when you get the solar panels from the market, actually they are different size. Our machine can process different size panels and adjust automatically. After a panel goes through this system, it will automatically measure the panel size and give data to the following each equipment. These are the junction box removed from the panels. The sizes are also very different. This is the big junction box, the middle one, and a small one. You can remove one junction box, also 3 junction box. We use the blade here to cut the junction box and then convey to the hopper here to drop into the pump bag. Each machine can run independently. Each machine has an independent control system. This is the touch screen, Siemens touch screen multi-language support. And this is the control cabin. As you can see, we use all the components brand, Siemens brand, PLC and VFD. The contactor. So when you receive the control cabin are well connected, you don't need to do the further connection. After removing the junction box, go to the aluminum frame removal machine. 那么你可以上去看。This stair can help you cross the line because you know the line is very long. With this stair, you can cross from the left to the right. This is the deframer. Remove the aluminum frames automatically. After removing the frame, then go to the glass removing machine to remove the glass. This is the fully automatic disassembly system. It is a crucial step to ensure that the remaining photovoltaic cells and back sheets can be processed high efficiently. For this line, after disassembly, you can get high purity aluminum frames, high purity glass, and bigger size glass. With the bifacial recycling line, the glass size will be smaller. Most of the glass are in powder shape. Similarly, the deframer also has independent control system. Some of our customers they purchase separately. Siemens touch screen, this manual, Chinese, and English to switch from. We can also add a third language. It's the control cabin. After removing the frames, go to the glass remover to remove the glass. This is the glass remover. Glass remover also has independent control system, can run separately. After separate the glass, there is a belt conveyor on the other side. The glass will fall down to the vibration screen to classify the glass into different sizes. After removing the glass, there is some slitting cutter here. The cutter are well protected here. There is protected cover from the hole. You can see the inside of the cutter. Yeah, you can see the cutter to cut the panel into long strips. Hello. After cutting the panel into long strips, the panel will look like this. Solar cells and the back sheet through the belt conveyor to the shredder for shredding directly. Material fall down to the shredder to shred the material into below 3 centimeter size. For each grinding machine, we have air cooler here to help cool down the temperature of the grinding machine. You can see the water pipeline here. We are doing the connection. So cool the water will connect to the chamber, shredding chamber to cool down the temperature. Also to the pipeline. Water cooler system. Water chiller. Because you know the turbo mill, the grinding machine, the inside the blade rotates at a very high speed. During the high speed rotation, the high temperature will be generated. We use air cooler system to help to cool down the temperature. In this way, to maximum the service the lifetime of the grinding machine. All these pipeline are double layer. The outer layer is water inside. Same to the main engine. And also the cyclone material collector, also double layer. Outer layer connect with the cooler water to cool down the material, cool down the machinery. After grinding, material goes to the gravity separation. Separate the metal and non-metal. Copper, the other end is plastic. And then use a high voltage electrostatic separator. Separate the remaining metal powder inside plastic. Yeah, we use the screw conveyor. Collect the two outlets in 1 ton bag. This is plastic granules. And here is cyclone material collector with the silicon powder output. Silicon powder. Silicon. That's the whole line. Ooh.哎，张光，给我们试一块单波吧。 是一块吧？是一块吧？中午休息了吗？没有，是一块吧？直播呢，一块就行。We test one panel for you。那个机器客户不演了，上午是吧？下午。
后段不行是吧？后段都一样，你只要是前段吧。
行，后段不想开不开吧。
还没胶盒，跟咱这没胶盒。
没胶盒啊，贴一个。We'll test one panel for you. But this panel, the junction box are removed already, so we will stick one more junction box for you. You, that is it.
看，该直播里。好。
This single-sided glass recycling line offers several key features. First of all, it's highly automation and precision with a robot feeding system and a 3D visual monitor system. Secondly, it's highly efficient disassembly and the material separation is high efficient. Now the panel move forward to the 3D visual monitor system to measure the panel size, junction box size, junction box position and quantity. And then give the data to the following machinery. Yeah, panel stop here. The measure the data will be sent to the 3 machine PLC to read the panel size. Then the whole panel can be disassembled automatically. First step is to remove the junction box. To locate the panel, then the cutter will move to the junction box position to move the junction box automatically. And then feed to the fixed position to the turn back directly or cutting. And then goes to the frame removal machine to remove the aluminum frames. This line can only recycle the single-sided glass solar panels. It cannot be used to remove the aluminum frames for the bifacial glass. Because for bifacial glass solar panels, sometimes there is screws on 4 sides to fix the frames to the main panel. And the frames are very stick on the panel very tightly. After removing the frames, the panel moves forward to the glass removing. Remove the surface glass. Force the feeding system, make sure the panel goes inside flatly and right in the middle part. High-speed milling cutter to scrape the surface glass. And then through the belt conveyor to the discharge to the vibration screen. When panel goes outside discharge, there is a slitting cutter to cut the panel into long strips and then convey to the shredder machine for shredding. Right now, because we haven't started the following shredding system, the belt conveyor is not on, so you see the materials will be stocked here. Later, we will take the material out to show you the details. Yeah, now we take out the panel to show you the long strip details. These are panels after slitting into long strips. With this system, we actually save another crusher. This panel can be shredded directly. After shredding, goes to the grinding machine for grinding directly. So we save one crusher in the system to reduce the power consumption. This single-sided glass solar panel recycling line whole line power consumption is less than 200 kilowatts per hour. Let's see the glass. Sorry, now because it's lunchtime, our technician needs to go for lunch. This is the vibration fitting. After removing the glass through the belt conveyor, fall down to the vibration fitting. It's a double layer screen, 3 layers discharge. This is the bigger glass granules. The bottom layer is the smaller size glass. Smaller size. This is the top layer. Top layer, sometimes when you remove the glass, there will be some bigger size panels scraped together. So we use a screen here to select them out. These materials can be rerun to the crushing and the separation system. You can put this directly to the shredder for second step shredding. That's the automatic disassembly system. As for the second part, the overall crushing and separation is exactly the same with the bifacial line, the second part. We use shredder, grinding machine, and some separation machine like gravity separation, high voltage electrostatic separation, and wind separation combined together to separate the metal powder, plastic powder, and the silicon powder. All right, now let's move to the question and answer session. We often get several questions from our customers. I will address 5 of the most common ones today. The first question, how efficient is our recycling process? Our machines are designed to achieve up more than 95% of material recovery, including glass, silicon, metals, making the process high efficiently. The production capacity can be customized. This single-sided glass line, the production capacity is 50 to 70 panels per hour, depending on the panel types, panel size, and the junction box quantity. In average, 1 panel per minute. As for the bifacial solar panel recycling line, this line the production capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour as well. But we can customize to bigger capacity to 3 to 5 tons per hour. We just need to use bigger crusher, bigger shredder, and some like the grinding machine will be double line, parallel for the back system. So one line can process 3 to 5 tons per hour. That's around more than 111 panels per hour. Next question is what type of solar panels can be processed? This single-sided glass recycling line can only recycle single-sided glass solar panels, but it's highly automatic disassembly line, so you can get high purity materials from the line. High purity aluminum, high purity glass, remove the junction box, and you can get high purity metal, non-metal silicon powder For the bifacial solar panel recycling line, it actually can be used to recycle both single-sided glass solar panel and bifacial solar panel. The third question, is this process environmentally friendly? Yeah, absolutely. Our recycling process is designed to minimize the environmental impact, reducing the emissions and the waste while recovering valuable materials. You see the whole line equipped with the pulse dust collector for dust control, and we can optionally equip soundproof room to control the noise during the recycling process. Next question, how easy it is to operate the machine? How easy it is to operate the machine? It's very easy. As we just showed you, the machine with a fully automatic integrated control system is automatic with a touch screen, support multi-language. By simply touch on the touch screen, you can switch to auto mode. The machine will start one by one automatically, so it's user-friendly. Next question. What is the capacity of the machine? As I said, depending on the model, we can do the customization based on your requirements. All right, if you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them here in the comments, and we will try to address them through the live stream. That's today's demonstration for the whole line. You see here one line, and here one line, over here another line, over here another line waiting for delivery. Oh. Here we have another one. This is for United States. The customer finished the machine inspection yesterday. You see it's also single-sided glass solar panel recycling line. Actually, it is still the most popular one because right now in the market, most of the material retired are still the single-sided glass solar panels. There are not that much bifacial glass solar panels right now. But it's the future. Right now, when you go to the solar exhibition, you will see most of the manufacturers, they all produce the bifacial glass solar panels right now. That is the lithium battery recycling line. Our company, we produce all kinds of solid waste recycling machinery, like solar panel recycling machine, lithium battery recycling machine, PCB recycling machine, and some other recycling machinery. Also, we have cable wire recycling machine. Cable wire recycling machine can not only recycle the cable wires, also can recycle the junction box. We got the junction box shredded and crushed and separate. All right, to wrap things up, we have seen today how Sonic Group is leading the way in solar panel recycling technology. Our machine not only provides a solution to the growing issue of solar panel waste, but also contribute to a more sustainable future by recovering valuable materials for reuse. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope you found this live streaming informative and helpful. If you are interested in learning more about our production line or have any further questions, you can contact with me directly or contact our sales team. We look forward to continuing our journey towards a greener and more sustainable world together. That's today's live stream. So we'll just stop here, okay? Have a good day, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.